This video shows you how to do a factory reset on the Polycom touch control. You have two options when doing a factory reset on the touch control. You can either reset it to its original software version, or you can reset it to the newest available software version. To reset and update your device to a newer software version, you have to first download the update files. You can find these by going to the Polycom support page for the device you use the touch control with, such as Group Series. In this example, we will look for the Group Series 700 update. Click the two Polycom Touch files and save them to your computer. Once the files have downloaded, move them to a USB drive. Then, plug the USB drive into the Polycom Touch control. Now, turn the device over and unplug the power. Then, insert a paperclip into the small hole shown here. Reinsert the power cable. Press down until the indicator light begins flashing. The device will begin to restart. Once the device is restarted, unplug the USB drive, turn the device over, and repeat the process. To do the factory reset without the additional update, complete the same process, but without the USB and without resetting the touch control a second time.